Okay, what we got is the GPS lockbox cover for the GPS lockbox kit. And this here was basically designed for the XP3. And the problem is the XP3 Plus is just 1/16 inch, maybe a little bit wider, so this doesn't fit. So what I was thinking of is not to get too fancy, is simply just make a little notch. And I think doing that, it will solve the problem. So we don't want to make a mess out of it. Going to take a tip grinder and we're going to make a knot.